This video I will show you that how to delete downloaded files on Android. So it's very simple. You just have to actually find your file manager here. Then you have to click on this one. Then you have to click on this download button here. This file manager is actually present in all Android devices. If you can't find it, you will just search here like file manager, and here's you will click on file manager, then you will click on download, and then these are all the downloaded files on Android. So you will click on the three dots here onto the top right, then you will click on select all, and here you can see this delete option. So you will click on this one, and then it will ask from you, and if you press OK, then all of your downloaded files will be deleted from your Android phone. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.